Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and today we're down in East Wittering. East Wittering is a coastal village just outside Chichester, and East Wittering's got some fantastic beaches on offer. So please check them out while you're down here, and we will show you all the way around East Wittering. Also, they have some quirky shops. You must see them because they are really nice, and they have also some great restaurants to go out for a dinner in the evening. And we will show you also restaurants. It's a good place to eat for your kids. And stay tuned because you don't want to miss this content. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adam, and like I said, we will be at East Wittering Beach, and here we are today, East Wittering. The beach is out at the moment, the tide is out, and it's such a beautiful morning at East Wittering. It's just coming up to 10 o'clock in the morning, and as you can see behind me, the tide is right out, and look how beautiful East Wittering is. Look, it is absolutely beautiful. You cannot fault it. East Wittering got an award for one of the UK's best beaches, and you can see why actually. When you have a look at the beaches, the sand is so clear, there's no dirt anywhere at all, and it's just a beautiful place to come down with your family. Right over in the distance, if you walk from East Wittering all the way down to West Wittering, it takes about 20 minutes. It's a beautiful walk, you should do it guys. And West Wittering has all the sandy beaches as well, and not far from West Wittering you got Portsmouth Harbour, and across there you got the Isle of Wight. It is so gorgeous guys, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, look how beautiful it is. If I was you, I would definitely come down here to East Wittering with your family, and you will have an amazing time, trust me.